Open any browser and type this, the https dot / powerbi.microsoft.com, and you click this, you can open in the one pop-up window. You can get started, you can try free. The single user is the $9 and the multi-user is the price is decrease. Now I will already downloaded this, my copy desktop. Now I will show you my desktop. Is the Power BI is there. Now I open this one. The after opening is the one pop-up window is open to the welcome to the Microsoft Power BI desktop 64-bit setup. Your OS is 64-bit or otherwise 32-bit. You can check first and select the languages. The default is English out there. Otherwise you can select the English language. The next click. After opening the one pop-up window, after opening the another pop-up window is the two options are there, no, yes or no. You select yes if you installing this. It is taken you some time to depend on your system RAM and your system processor speed. After that click yes, the open another pop-up and welcome to the Microsoft Power BI desktop version, and the click the next, the accept and this one automatically, then select next, then next. The Power BI, the screen is appears after completed. You can get data and send resources, open other reports. You can other reports your desktop, your D drive, your C drive. Otherwise the sources is taken by import the data Excel, import the SQL, paste data in the blank table and the sample data. This is pop-up windows, this type are there. The file, home, insert, modeling, use, optimize, help. This is the visualization, this is the build visualization. You can click here to the take any Excel sheet data if you available your computer or your system. In Excel data, I take this one, project report commerce block, an example. Total first sheet. I will open this first sheet. You observe this one. I'll give the visualization purpose, drill to cross report, the keep all filters and select and this, and we click this one. The after clicking this one is the load, transfer data, cancel, load. This will usual with your data. Will usual with your select, drag and field data and pan to the other report canvas. You observe this. Canva is coming. This add data field services. This save. You can save anywhere if you not required. Get data. Excel. Take a English soft license skills, this one, and click, then select this one, load, transfer. This is another pop-up window open. You observe this table sheet is appears on the screen. You can select the source. This one source is available 3 sheets, and navigation. Navigation is this one is the English language lab. This one, and the filter and white space. You observe this, and remove top rows. If you want to remove the top rows, you can remove. Remove other columns also option is there. You can remove it. Promote headers. You can give the headers and change type. These options are available. Then please subscribe, and data manage parameters. You want to click here and manage parameters. Group parameters. You can give the parameter also.